Hello, AutoXplorer's family. Tesla is once again redefining the EV market, and today we're diving into the officially confirmed updates for the 2025 Tesla Model Y, codenamed Project Juniper. This refreshed version of Tesla's most popular compact SUV is set to push boundaries in performance, design, and technology. So, let's explore all the exciting details you need to know about this revolutionary vehicle. According to the latest updates, the 2025 Model Y Juniper is getting a complete design overhaul. Tesla is introducing a sleeker, more aerodynamic exterior, featuring sharper lines and redesigned front and rear fascias. The updates include new headlight and taillight designs that not only enhance the car's aesthetics, but also improve its functionality with advanced LED technology. In addition, Tesla is focusing on premium materials for a more sophisticated look and feel. Reports confirm the inclusion of new wheel designs and paint options to give customers a wider variety of choices to personalize their vehicles. These changes are expected to make the Model Y even more appealing to a broader audience, combining style with cutting-edge efficiency. Inside the cabin, Tesla is taking luxury and minimalism to the next level. The refreshed Model Y will feature an upgraded dashboard with high-quality materials and an even cleaner layout. Tesla's commitment to reducing physical buttons continues, with all controls integrated into the massive central touchscreen. What's new here? For 2025, the Juniper Edition will offer an improved infotainment system with faster processing speeds and an even more responsive user experience. Tesla is also introducing new ambient lighting options, adding a modern and cozy atmosphere for passengers. Furthermore, the updated seats are rumored to feature advanced climate control for personalized comfort, ensuring a top-tier driving experience for all occupants. Now, let's talk about performance. Tesla has always been a leader in EV efficiency, and the Model Y Juniper raises the bar yet again. Updates confirm that the 2025 version will include advancements in battery technology, extending its already impressive range. While exact figures are yet to be announced, early insights indicate that the Juniper will offer a range exceeding 350 miles per charge, depending on the configuration. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system remains a staple, delivering quick acceleration and a smooth ride. Tesla is also fine-tuning the suspension system to improve handling and comfort, making it the perfect EV for both city driving and long road trips. Tesla's technological innovations are front and center with the Model Y Juniper. According to official details, the new model will feature the latest version of Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving. These updates promise even more accurate lane keeping, better object detection, and smoother transitions during autonomous driving. One of the most anticipated updates is the introduction of the new Hardware 4.0 suite. This system includes advanced cameras, processors, and sensors, taking Tesla's driver assistance features to the next level. Additionally, the vehicle is expected to integrate seamlessly with Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network, now upgraded with V4 superchargers for faster and more efficient charging. Tesla's commitment to sustainability is a key highlight of the Model Y Juniper. The latest updates reveal that Tesla is refining its manufacturing processes to reduce carbon emissions further. The company will continue to use eco-friendly materials in both the production and interior components of the vehicle. In terms of production, the Model Y Juniper is expected to roll off Tesla's gigafactories worldwide, including its state-of-the-art facilities in Berlin and Austin. These factories are designed to meet the increasing demand for Tesla's vehicles while maintaining the highest quality standards. Finally, let's discuss pricing and availability. According to Tesla's announcements, the refreshed Model Y Juniper will likely maintain its competitive pricing, starting in the range of $500 $0 to $5,500, depending on the trim. This strategic pricing ensures that the Model Y continues to attract a diverse range of buyers, from first-time EV owners to seasoned Tesla enthusiasts. Production is scheduled to begin in early 2025, with deliveries expected by mid-year. Tesla is already accepting pre-orders, and given the Model Y's massive popularity, it's safe to say demand will be incredibly high. So there you have it. Tesla's vision for the future with the 2025 Model Y Juniper. From its sleek design and enhanced interior to its cutting-edge technology and improved performance, this is an SUV that's poised to lead the electric vehicle revolution. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AutoXplore, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our in-depth reviews and updates on Tesla and other upcoming vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.